What happens when people stay single for a long time? In today's fast-moving world, many people choose to stay single for a long time. Some do it to focus on their career, some want personal freedom, and others may not find the right partner. Staying single is not a problem, but it does bring certain changes in a person's life. These changes can be positive as well as challenging. The way a person uses this time decides whether it becomes a strength or a weakness. Let us understand what happens when people stay single for a long time. They understand themselves better. When a person stays single, they spend more time with themselves. They think deeply about their life, choices, and goals. This helps them understand their personality, habits, and emotions better. They become clear about what they want and what they should avoid in life. They become emotionally strong. Single people often learn how to handle their emotions alone. They face problems, stress, and failures without depending on someone else. This builds emotional strength. Over time, they become more stable and less affected by small issues. They gain independence. Staying single teaches self-dependence. A person learns to manage daily life, finances, and decisions on their own. This independence increases confidence and makes them mentally strong. They do not rely on others for support in every situation. They focus more on goals. Without relationship responsibilities, people can focus more on their personal and professional goals. They get more time and energy to work on their dreams. This often helps them achieve success faster and more effectively. They may feel lonely sometimes. Even though independence is good, humans naturally need emotional connection. Staying single for a long time can sometimes lead to loneliness. If not managed properly, it can cause overthinking and sadness. That is why maintaining friendships and social connections is important. They develop high standards. People who stay single for a long time become very clear about what they want in a partner. They set high standards and do not compromise easily. This helps them avoid wrong relationships, but sometimes it can also make it difficult to find a suitable partner. They enjoy freedom. Single life gives complete freedom. A person can make decisions without needing approval from anyone. They can travel, explore new things, and spend time as they wish. This freedom allows personal growth and self-exploration. They may fear commitment. When someone stays single for too long, they become comfortable with their routine and independence. Entering a relationship may feel difficult because it requires adjustment and compromise. This can create a fear of commitment. Conclusion: staying single for a long time is not a negative thing. It can help a person grow, become strong, and achieve success. However, it is important to maintain a balance. A person should not ignore emotional needs and social connections. If used wisely, single life can become a powerful phase of self-development and clarity.